So our next topic is about the properties of elasticity. So elasticity is the ability of a strained body to recover its size and shape after deformation. So ti objects nga elastic amakon ko na ket dagiti objects nga kaya dati agsubli di dati da nga size and shape after nga na-deform da. So, stress, it characterizes the strength of forces causing the deformation. So, dito stress nga kung kuna na to, yung nga stress nga marikrik na yun no ka. No, may stress kay kadagay, iteded ko nga activities yo. So, amo yung timakon ko na nga stress ball. So, stress ball titawag da ka DJ. Kasi, di ba, no, pet-petam DJ, no, i-custom kit ma-deform. Bumasit no ka, and then, no, ibatam, agsubli ka DJ dati na nga shape. So, it's not just makaawan so na ti stress or ma-minimize na di stress mo nga usar ka DJ stress ball. But, in reality, adano ka ti scientific explanation ano apay nga stress ball ti tawag ka DJ. So, yung topic na stress, pag-aaralan nyo ulit dyan in your higher subjects. Mechanics. So, no adan to mechanics nga subject yo after detoy, mas maawatan yun to no ano dito stress ditoy. Bale, kas lang pahapyaw tay lang, kasi physics pa lang ti subject yo. So, stress is equal to the force applied all over the area. Or, ang ginagamit nating unit ay Pascal. Or Newton per square meter. Ang strain naman is the resulting deformation. So, stress yung cause, yung effect ay strain. Yung Hooke's law naman, mapag-aaralan nyo ulit yan in your thermodynamics subject and of course, mechanics din. So, elastic modulus is equal to the stress over strain. 3 types of stress. Number 1 is tensile or compressive stress. So, this one changes the length of a strained body. So, if compressive stress, of course, i-compress mo siya. Bale, bumasit. Pabasitem DJ object. Tapos, if tensile stress, i-elongate mo DJ object. So, tensile stress, yun yung stress na present sa mga bridges sa mga developed countries. So, makikita nyo yung nasa picture. So, merong stress between di kas lang string na, nga agkon-connect ka deta kasla foundation ti bridge, ken DJ babana. Okay. Makakita kay ti kastoy nga bridge ijay pasukin ken dingras sa DJ. Tsaka manunod yung nga bridge DJ basta ada ka. Ti kulay red. Bulk stress. So, it changes the volume of a strained body. So, kung nadagiti nalalay nga scientist, tsaka mo no agpaypayso, no ka no ag dive, DJ diver. So, DJ pressure nga i-exert DJ seawater kanya na, ket agkosti medyo panagbasit ti volume na DJ diver. So, no kayat yung maamuan, nagpaypayso, itry yun to ti mapanag-dive. Kitain nyo no, kaslang pabasiten na DJ danom deta bagiyo. And next is shear stress, opposite forces act at different points of the body. So, shear stress, kaslang, for example, no agkartib kay ti ribbon or no ag-slice kayo. So, adano ka shear stress nga i-apply, dijay, kutsilyo, yan jay, banag nga is-slice yo. Okay. Tensile and compressive stress. Ayan, na-explain ko na yan kanina. Tensile, elongate na. Compressive, compress na. So, these are the formulas for stress and strain. Yung stress, force over area. Yung strain, the total elongation all over the initial length. Young's modulus of elasticity. So, stress over strain siya. Y yung kanyang symbol. So, meron ng mga predetermined na Young's modulus or in terms of Pascal, yung iba't ibang materials. So, ito yung example ng kung yung material ay wala dito sa listahan, you can search it up sa Google. Nandun yung malaking table ng mga Young's modulus. Okay, example number 1. A steel rod 2 meter long has a cross-sectional area of 0.3 square centimeters. The rod is now hung by one end from a support structure, and a 550 kilogram milling machine is hung from the rod's lower end. Determine the stress, the strain, and the elongation of the rod. So, before anything else, i-convert lang muna natin yung kanyang area into square meters. So, 0.30 centimeters square times 100, 1 meter, 100 centimeters square. So, that would be equal to 3 times 10 raised to negative 5 square meters. So, solving for stress. So, ang formula ng stress ay stress is equal to force over area. So, ang force niya ay mass times the acceleration due to gravity. So, 550 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second square all over 3 times 10 raised to negative 5 square meters. The answer is 1.8 meters, 1.8 times 10 raised to 8 Pascal. So, letter A yan. Tapos B, strain is equal to ito yung formula niya. The elongation over the length. Kaya lang, wala pa tayong elongation. Solve pa lang natin mamaya. So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng Young's modulus. na Y is equal to stress over strain, or strain is equal to stress all over the Young's modulus. So, ang stress niya ay 1.8 times 10 raised to 8 Pascal over, according sa table kanina, ang Young's modulus ng steel ay 20 times 10 raised to 10 Pascal. So, ang strain niya ay 9.0 times 10 raised to negative 4. So, makikita nyo, yung strain, wala siyang unit. So, unitless siya. So, if meron akong pinagawa sa inyo regarding sa strain na merong unit, ibig sabihin nangopya ka. Nangopya ka na nga lang, hindi mo pa sinisigurong tama yung kinokopya mo. So, for the elongation, strain multiplied by the length, initial length. So, ang strain niya ay 9.0 times 10 raised to negative 4 times 2 meters. That would be 0.0018 meters or 1.8 millimeters. Any sa dalawang yan, i-accept natin. I mean, i-correct ko. Next one. Bulk stress. When uniform pressure P acts on a body, the volume of the body decreases. So, ito yung ano niya. So, under bulk stress, pressure is equal to the stress. Tapos, ang strain naman niya ay in terms of volume. So, ang strain niya ay delta V over initial volume. The change in volume over the initial volume. Okay. So, ang bulk stress, ito yung kanyang formula. F over A all over change in volume over initial volume. Ang bulk modulus naman, in terms of pressure over the change in volume over the initial volume. Or, negative, the change in pressure over change in volume over initial volume. So, meron din predetermined na bulk modulus yung iba't ibang materials. So, lahat ng mga yan, sinolve ng mga magagaling na scientists, mga kanununuhan natin. So, example number 2. A hydraulic press contains 0.25 cubic meters or 250 liters of oil. Find the decrease in the volume of the oil when it is subjected to a pressure increase of 1.6 times 10 raised to 7 Pascal. That is about 160 atm or atmospheric pressure. Or pwede ring equivalent siya ng 23,000 PSI or pound per square inches. The bulk modulus of the oil is 5 times 10 raised to 9 Pascal, or about 5 times 10 raised to 4 atmospheric pressure. And its compressibility is K is equal to 1 over B, or 20 times 10 raised to negative 6 over ATM, or atmospheric pressure. So, according sa formula ng bulk modulus, that is negative delta P over delta V over VO, or delta P times VO all over delta V. So, ang una niyang hinahanap ay decrease in volume. So, the change in volume of the oil. From this formula, ang magiging formula ng change in volume ay change in pressure times initial volume over the bulk modulus. Of course, negative siya. So, the change in pressure is 1.6 times 10 raised to 7 Pascal times the initial volume, which is 0.25 cubic meters, all over ang kanyang bulk modulus ay 5 times 10 raised to 9 Pascal. So, ang kanyang change in volume ay negative 8 times 10 raised to negative 4 cubic meters. So, pwede rin natin siyang isolve using yung compressibility niya. So, change in volume is equal to negative K times initial volume times the change in pressure. So, negative 20 times 10 raised to negative 6. So, ang ibig sabihin ng ATM raised to negative 1 ay ito, 20 times 10 raised to negative 6 over ATM. So, ilagay na lang natin na ganyan, negative 1. Kasi magka-cancel out sila. Yung initial volume is 0.25 cubic meters times gagamit tayo dito ng atmospheric pressure. So, 160 ATM. So, ang change in volume ay negative 8 times 10 raised to negative 4. Cubic meters, or 0.80 liters negative. Yan siya. So, itry nyo i-solve tong dalawa in 2 ways. Tingnan nyo kung same kayo ng makukuha ang answer. Next is shear, stress, and strain. When equal and opposite forces act tangent to the opposite sides of a body, a shear strain is produced. So, shearing stress. So, force over area din ang kanyang formula. Tapos yung strain naman ay x over h. So, ang x niya ay yung width, tapos ang kanyang h yung height niya. So, ang formula ng shear modulus ay stress over strain din yan. So, stress over strain. Doon nang galing yung kanyang formula. So, ang formula ng stress ay F over A all over X over H. So, F over A times H over X. So, magiging FH over AX. At dito na-derive yung formula. Tapos, ito naman yung isa pang formula niya. Ay, nasulatan. So, for shear modulus, meron ulit predetermined na shear modulus ng mga materials. Ayan siya. Okay, example number 3. A square steel plate is 10 centimeters on a side and 0.5 centimeter thick. Find the shear strain that results if a force of magnitude 9 times 10 raised to 5 Newton is applied to each of the four sides parallel to the side. Find the displacement x in centimeters. So, ito yung given. Given yung shear of the steel, which is 7.5 times 10 raised to 10 Pascal. So, ganito yung object or yung steel plate. So, yung force ay ina-apply sa four sides of the plate na nakaparallel sa side niya. So, ganyan yung forces. So, letter A, since ang shear ay shear modulus, shear stress all over shear strain. So, ang hinahanap ay shear strain. So, shear strain is equal to F over A times the shear of the steel. So, ang force niya ay 9 times 10 raised to 5 Newton all over 5 times 10 raised to negative 4 times 7.5 times 10 raised to 10. So, ang shear strain niya ay 0.024. So, looking for the displacement x, gagamitin natin yung formula ng shear strain, which is x over h. So, ang hinahanap natin ay x. So, h, which is 0.10 meters. Since in terms of meters yung iba, so, i-convert natin yung height niya na 10 cm into meter. So, ayan, 0.10 meters times 0.024. So, ang kanyang displacement x ay 0.0024 meters or 0.24 centimeters. Pero okay na to. Next one. In the Challenger Deep of the Marianas Trench, the depth of seawater is 10.9 kilometers and the pressure is 1.16 times 10 raised to 8 Pascal, or about 1.15 times 10 raised to 3 atm. Letter A. If a cubic meter of water is taken from the surface to this depth, what is the change in its volume? So, sabi dito, normal atmospheric pressure is about 1 times 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Assume that K for seawater is the same as the freshwater value given in table blah blah blah. So, wala dito yung table. Pero, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ang bulk modulus ng seawater ay equivalent to 2.2 times 10 raised to 9 Pascal. So, letter A, solving for from the formula, kanina, ayan siya. So, we are looking for the change in volume. So, ito ulit, equals negative over B. So, ang kanyang change in pressure is 1.16 times 10 raised to 8 Pascal times, so, assuming na ang kanyang initial volume ay 1 cubic meters. Kasi per cubic meters tong kanyang density na given, 1.03 times 10 raised to 3 kilogram per 1 cubic meter ang ibig sabihin yan. So, let's use it as the reference initial volume. So, 2.2 times 10 raised to 9 Pascal. So, the change in volume is negative yan. Negative 0.0527 cubic meters. So, letter B, since ang reference density natin ay 1.03 meter times 10 raised to 3 kilogram over 1 cubic meters. So, let us regard the mass as 1.03 times 10 raised to 3 kilograms. ito yung mass niya. So, for the density of the seawater at this depth, mass over volume. So, ang mass niya 1.03 times 10 raised to 3 kilograms. So, ang volume niya, it should be the initial volume plus the change in volume. Magiging equal yan sa 1.03 times 10 raised to 3 kilograms over ang initial volume niya ay 1 cubic meters minus 0.05 to 7 cubic meters. So, ang kanyang density ay 1.09 times 10 raised to 3 kilogram per cubic meters. Ayan siya.